What's poppin', air gunners? This is Denny, the Flat Broke Air Gunner, and it is going to be an unboxing video. Happy birthday to me, because this is one of the packages that I've got for my birthday. So let's get into this. Here, I'm going to close this up real quick and lay this out. Oh, and just so you know, I'm not a creepy weirdo sitting here without a shirt on. It's actually a t-shirt that looks like a hairy naked weirdo. So it's all illusion. I don't know what this is, but it has definitely got some mass to it. Hope everything's going well for you and your family, and everything is good where you're from. Oh wow, this is the very first gun out of all the guns I've ever bought that actually comes, and it comes with a case of its own. I was wondering why this box was so large. And it is not wanting to work with me at all. This is in here snug. There we go. Alright, now I got something to work with. Definitely a nice looking case so far. Let's see if you can pull that, cameraman. There you go. Hey. Woo! Snug fit. Alright, get this knife out of the way. Yeah, that is beautiful. Nice looking case. And here we go. I think almost. Ooh. Woo! As Rick Ram would say, it is the Walther Dominator. Yes, yes, yes. So this is the, whoa, the bag's causing it to get away from me. The first I'm seeing it, the first you're seeing it, hopefully. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That scope looks hot, man. Comes with a parallax wheel and everything. Bipods, suppressor, the full case. So there you go. I'll flip it over this way so you can get a look at all the bolt mechanism and all that. Comes with the adapter, the magazine, and all the essentials that you normally get with it. But yes, this is the first package to arrive. This is the Walther Dominator. I think it's a 1250. Yeah, 1250V Dominator by Walther. Like to think, oh, it comes with a 32 by 56 Walther scope. Looks very, very nice. This is probably one of my nicest rifles so far, and it's still, I think this one came in at about $360. So it's really a lot of rifle with this whole kit, you know, for that price point. But again, I want to thank you for tuning in real quick. This is Denny, the Flat Broke Air Gunner. Not only does your viewership mean a lot, but your friendship means a lot. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you get notified every time we put out new content just like this. This is actually, usually we do giveaways and stuff like that and contests. This is actually my birthday, and this is one of the things that I've gotten. We're probably going to do a couple of more unboxings because, again, my birthday is August 27th, and this is one of the things. New PCP. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate your friendship as well as your viewership. Stay tuned. There'll be more to come, and I will see you soon. Take care and God bless.